Just like some of the earlier quizzes, and due to the flexibility of both D3, CSS selectors, and JavaScript, there's many right answers to this quiz. To change the title of the course, all we need to do is figure out what type of class or ID we can select the title with. In this case, I'm going to right-click and inspect element. As you can see here, it's an H1 with classes hslim, left-hand nav title, and another one ng binding. I'm going to assume that left-hand nav title is fairly unique if I call it on a header tag. As you can see here, calling D3 select on h1.leftHand nav title returns to me another D3 array, and if we open it up, we see the element hovering just to be absolutely sure that we've selected the right element. Now, when I just mentioned we're looking for a header tag, there's a distinction between a header tag defined as so and the H1, H2, all the way to H6 tags. You may see and hear people talk about both, so be sure that when someone's talking about a header tag or an H1, H2, and so forth, you know exactly which one they're referring to. To change the inner textual content of this H1 tag, I'm again going to find my selection, store it in a variable, and try to autocomplete any method defined on my selection. As you can see here, I'm going to scroll down and hopefully find something that I may think can help. As you can see here, there is an HTML, which might work. There's a property method, which is also a possibility. And at the bottom here, we have text. Let's see what text actually does. Again, if we run this or execute this statement here without parentheses, we can see the inner definition of the function. As you can see here, this is actually somewhat complicated, as D3 tries to be as general and applicable to any sort of value passed in. As you can see here, on my title selection, calling text with Jonathan's Pretty Pictures changes the title to Jonathan's Pretty Pictures, and if I open up what's returned from the .text method, I can see the DOM node I called it on, and hovers over the correct title in the window.